Hi, in this video I'm going to just talk a little bit about hotkeys. So hotkeys are basically things we use to increase our work speed. So instead of having to use our mouse to go to my browser and then hit refresh, or click up here, refresh, go back to my Visual Studio Code, locate stuff, click it, I need to do this, file and save, you know the drill. Instead of doing this all by mouse, I really want you to try focus using hotkeys. The first I'm going to talk about is what we call Alt Tab. This is for Windows, and it's called CMD and Tap, and that's for Mac. So once I hit those, I start with this one first, hold this one down, or hold Alt key down on your Windows, and then you hit Tab once. So now you can see it. I can switch between them. If you do it quickly, just Command or Alt quick and Tab right after and let it go. It's going to do like this. So really quick. If you hold your Command key down or Alt key down all the time and then you click Tab and just release the Tab button, I can go through each one of these. And once I release my command, it's going to change. So that's one. The other one I use a lot is when I save things. So for saving, quick saving, it's actually called quick save, is equals on a Mac command plus S, and this is for Mac. And I also have a control plus S on a Windows. That will just save the document. You can see right up here there's a little round icon. That means it's not saved. Once I click Command S, it's going to return to a cross, so I know it's saved. That's two really important ones. The last one I use a lot is Control plus R. Again, this is on Windows. And Command R on a Mac. These will do a hard refresh in browser. So if I go to my browser and I click over here, just and I click Command R, you can see the page reloads. You just take up here this little on a Chrome, it's right over here. On a Firefox is inside the URL, so up here. So once I click it, you can see it actually starts loading. Those three are really important and people are using them a lot. The other ones is we need the commands for copy, paste and cut. So on Mac again you use the command. On Windows you use the CTRL key. And for copy you use command copy. You use command plus, where you go, that's not a plus C, that is a copy one. And for the paste you do command plus where you go, V, that will be pasting whatever you just copied. And for cutting, which is what I'm showing now, I'm marking something and doing a command cut, is command plus X. And the last one is actually when we need to undo something. On a Mac it's command plus Z. So if I by mistake delete this, I can just hit command Z and it goes back to this. I can do this many times. The Windows is exactly the same, but you're just changing out the command with the control button. So command will just change to the control and then it's the same thing. Okay, quickly about hotkeys, so remember those.